Who's the youngest one here?
Me.
Youngest?
I'm 14.
14. Old enough to know better. For one, if y'all speed around, that car's tent's too dark, I'm gonna stop you, I'm gonna give you a ticket. If your mufflers are too loud, you go out of here, I'm gonna stop you, I'm gonna give you a ticket. I don't want to do that. All right? I'm gonna be sitting across the parking lot. If I hear you revving, I hear you pull out, I'm gonna stop you, I'm gonna write you. Okay? I'd rather you guys hang out over here, chill out.
Oh God, I'm gonna bank on his ass.
First run, wasn't ready. Ran the second run, he got that one. Ran the third, I got that one, then we ran a final run. And that was on the way back.
But he's sliding, he's sliding. Who supposed to be racing? Who supposed to be racing? What to do to Money Man back with another video, man. Today's video we are at Buc-Ee'S, man. We at Buc-Ee'S, man. He got a whole little bucket takeover. We got the RTs, we got the BMWs, Hellcat. Ooh, GTR. We got GTR right there. We got a whole bunch of stuff out here, man. This finna be a good night. Like they finna bet, so they bet money right here. Let's see what they talking about right here.
The duty on the line, this off of his horn. No, man, Ralph horn.
So you on the second and third?
I mean, it's a video.
It's street racing.
Y'all already raced. It's the third race, the final race that we went on the way back.
I'm talking about me and Ralph better on one race.
Street racing, street racing. Who cost?
He won.
That's what I'm saying. So hold on. Hey, hold this motherfucker up. Hey, what Kale at, bro? Kale got my GoPro.
160 to 120.
All right, bet. Everybody, y'all go second on it. You fucking with it? We already ended it.
One race, 60 to 120.
60 to 120.
No, did we not? You won one, I won one. That final race we went, I walked off.
Hold on, wait. Y'all can't be doing it when they got money on the line, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
That's right here.
Last video
No,
of the race is
right
right
here. Then they say, they started racing and coming back. That's what they said.
The first race, what happened in the first race?
He won.
That's
He won.
So that's the bet.
But hold on.
I do got everybody on here.
You can ask him. Oh God, you can ask him. When I beat your ass, I called his ass. I said, get your
All right, hold on. Listen to this though.
It's true though.
It's true.
Hold on, niggas. Hold on, niggas. Ran the first race.
Okay.
Wasn't ready. AJ
Nah,
Long.
you
Yo, can y'all niggas? Listen. I listen to y'all laugh. Alright.
Whoa. Hey. Who running the
Which one they call yours?
Alright. Niggas.
That football
We ran the first run, wasn't ready. Ran the second run, he got that one. ran the third. I got that one. Then we ran a final run.
But here's the
that was on the way back.
But his thing though, I ain't like one.
They said they
We do got it on video footage.
But hold on.
What you saying?
All right, I don't know what they talking about. But I'm finna finish showing y'all these cars. I'm gonna let them talk all that blah, 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 all that shit they talking about. But I'm finna show y'all these cars in here, man. We had Buc-Ee'S, bro. Oh, Buc-Ee'S takeover. Hello, man. Buc-Ee'S takeover. We got this Corvette. Oh, they care right here. This is who I was looking for. This is who I was looking for here. Hey, you can put the GoPro on your car?
Man, I just raced somebody, man.
You for real?
Yeah.
Put the GoPro. I thought that bit flew off or some shit. I thought that bit flew off. He over there. He over there in that big ass crowd. Oh, we got an SRT. You race somebody with on?
Hell no.
Damn. Huh? It's called Money Man.
You too?
Yeah. I did. You gotta spell it with a U.
Okay, my bad.
You good?
Shit, if I can tie it.
Yes,
That
sir.
you right there?
Yes, sir.
All right, man, I got you on.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hey, have a good day.
You too. Okay. I'm putting that GoPro on somebody damn car. Oh God. Oh God, I can't lie. Oh God. Dude, this is the same dude who said his shit was an RT. Remember that shit? Oh God, he said his shit was an RT. It D bad. It's a sketch.
Man, nigga, I'm King SS around this bitch, man.
But it's the same dude that said his shit was a fucking RT. This bitch not no fucking RT, fool. Look at them big ass Brembos on this bitch. Dude, that Camaro hard as fuck. Fool, I gotta show y'all this bitch. Oh my God. That bitch chopping. We got the Mustangs going here going crazy.
They never said one.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, so what?
Okay. They never said that either.
Okay, you know what?
They never said that either.
It's right here. If it's 1-1, they need to run it one more time.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right.
If it's 1-1, but I'm agreeing over there.
When you go to the track,
You going right?
yeah, he said we was coming down, and there's no way we finna go down and back and race one fucking time. Yeah, they been on one race.
Dude, what dude with the?
He got a $300.
I'm holding on somebody's car.
He'll do it. He'll do it first. I'm not.
Hey, KL. I mean JP. Hey JP. Let me put this in your car. Let me put this in your car.
I don't even want to take the money about it.
I see it just ran out of storage. I'm done for the night.
I race the race.
I'm done for the night.
I'm gonna tell you no.
KL race?
We can do a roll.
Who said KL race? Hey, Kel. Hey, Kel. You racing?
Y'all need to do a motherfucking. So, I mean, y'all need to do a dig to settle it.
Bet on, bro. That don't even.
That's how I feel. He's sliding.
I do over.
Who supposed to be racing? Who supposed to be racing? That's what I need to know. You right here?
I do over. Ain't gonna dig in.
This your car, Kel. This your car? Who car this is? I just racing. Oh, they GoPro finna go on the back of his shit. Oh, God, they finna go on the back of his shit. Hey, AJ. Hey, AJ. AJ.
I got 200. 200.
Hey, y'all both big flying.
Hey, oh God.
I know. Take them hold on.
Hey, bro, I'm finna set that GoPro up. I'm finna set that. Dude, what the fuck? I think it is, bro. Oh yeah, we got the GoPro hooked up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We got the GoPro on there, bitch. Yeah. Oh God. Bro. Oh, we got no scat. We got no scat pulling up. We got the GoPro. We got the GoPro on this bitch.
Y'all need the BMW boys out. Alright. I'm still on the beat.
Why you got a passenger for? That's extra weight.
Alright, y'all, for this lineup right here, we got the SS. We got the SS Camaro versus, I don't know what the fuck this is. I know they beat Marty the fuck out.
I got my own BMW up there.
We got the GoPro. Huh? They supposed to be like that.
I thought it supposed to be down or straight, like with the pole. They want to be straight line up with. That's how the 360 view.
Yeah, but I can edit it. You think I should change it?
Too late now.
Like do a beat. If I had on the car, I would have it angle down.
Like had like straight up like that.
Hey,
Hey, y'all, we got some highway action right here. We got some highway action. You like a BMW? Damn, that BMW fast as fuck. That BMW. Look. Oh, we got another right here. I'm gonna cut the high beam on so I can see it. Yeah, I see that BMW tag say quiet. Bro, who the fuck this is on a motorcycle? He need to get the fuck out the way. That's the race right there, y'all. That BMW versus that SS. He got my GoPro on, he better not fucking lose, bro. Hey, that's a good ass race. That's a good ass race right there. That's a good ass race right there. Oh my God, look how that bitch snatched off. Hey, I'm gonna just be quiet. I'm gonna let y'all just hit the cars. I do talk too much sometimes. Buc-Ee'S takeover. Dude, this GTR hard as hell. Look at this GTR. This is a Nissan. This is a fast ass Nissan. Y'all can see the round right there. You got Nissan. It's basically a fast ass Nissan. Like a Hellcat is a fast ass Dodge. Like a ZL1 is a fast ass Chevy.
Please, I'm telling you, the next person that go out here bad, they finna run me the fade. On God.
Who's the youngest one here?
Me.
Youngest? I'm 14.
14.
Bruh.
That boy say you pushing about over 40. This nigga wildin'. So wild.
Oh, no.
Everybody here is old enough to know better. For one, if y'all speed around, that car's tint's too dark, I'm gonna stop you, I'm gonna give you a ticket. If your mufflers are too loud, you go out of here, I'm gonna stop you, I'm gonna give you a ticket. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna be sitting across the parking lot. If I hear you revving, I hear you pull out, I'm gonna stop you, I'm gonna write you. Okay? I'd rather you guys hang out over here, chill out.
Oh God, I'm gonna bank on his ass. Oh my mama.
Alright guys.
He gonna have to chase this bitch.
Who stop?
He gonna have to chase
Who
this bitch.
stop? Who stop?
He gonna have to chase this bitch in that slow ass Charger. He gonna have to chase this bitch.
You right about the
Okay. I'm making sure he was straight up.
He's gonna have to work. He's gonna have to work to get that damn ticket. Oh mom. Straight high speed chase on that yeah. It's a BMW motorcycle. I never knew BMW made motorcycles. It's the M series too. I know this whole fast. They BMW motorcycle.
I run for it. I don't understand how time squad's gonna take the fastest cat. That's on my roll right there. I mean, big race. Come on. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Wow. They can give them high mileage for around 30. It's 100 grand for one that's got like 5,000 miles. 30 for one that's got like 150. That's just called go one.
And what that mean with the powder, bro? What that mean?
Roll on they ass.
That's funny.
You want to run it?
Why am I saying uh-oh? Why am I saying uh-oh? I'm trying to figure out.
Hey, go get in the boat. Go get in the boat, bitch.
Get in the boat for who?
Yeah. No, he over there. You just had a hold.
He wanted to race me.
Yes, go get in the boat.
I'm too fast to race that shit. They ain't finna wait my game. I want you. You claim you the fastest guy in the city.
Damn. What?
fuck you got going on, paddle man?
You all race him.
You bullshit. Hey man, come on. Get that motherfucking paddle, you get in your car, and he's finna get out there on the highway.
Tell Francois, come on in.
Man, get your ass in your car.
I want him to come out there too when we roll race.
We talking about that car right there. Hey, you talking about him. You came, bro, so hey, how the fuck you gonna say you the fastest cat in the city? I thought you beat up on the car.
I want to know how the hell you gonna claim me the fastest cat in the city, but he won't come run me right now.
Man, that man just say he'll fucking run your ass. Go get your ass in your fucking car.
I'm talking to him.
That man won't you. Man, come on.
Out there.
Come on with the YouTube shit.
Roll race.
Come on with the YouTube shit. Get in your car.
That he won't race you from a dig. Let him know that they won't race you. He the fastest cat in the city, and I want
and you won't run for a damn dig.
The red eye.
If you bankrupt, just say that shit. You can't afford no damn tires, just say that shit.
I'm bankrupt.
That shit real.
I'm only 19. You acting like nigga,
Nobody
I'm
give a fuck. You got a scat,
30.
nigga.
Okay, I know I got a scat pack
Now
at
go
19.
take your ass out there, get in the fucking road.
Now take him and come on, let's do it.
Listen, how much you want to do it for? Get in that car, come on. How much you want to do it for? I'm a dig. I'm a dig. Nigga, cross the balls and get in the fucking road.
This nigga here, bro.
That bitch sounds good as fuck. Let's see what they talking about out here. I think they trying to sound good as hell.
That man waiting on your ass. I want this nigga.
He said he the
why you
fastest
don't
cat in
want to
the
roll
city.
race.
He said he the fastest cat in the city.
I get that. Explain to him
The
why you
fucking
don't
grounds are fucking wet. They're down.
The ground ain't wet though.
What the fuck is foggy and shit out here? What the fuck you
racing
mean?
the whole time.
That's cause y'all niggas dumb. What the fuck? Nigga, you ain't your car already
wet.
You ain't
No, actually dry.
I already got no tire back. I'm on a flat.
Nigga gonna make a test this and shit is dry.
I'm being so dead ass. You ground is dry.
Oh, this is the same BMW that just raced that scat too, by the way. I thought he was racing that. He raced that Challenger too, but he raced the scat. This is the same BMW racing. I mean, they raced the SS. Raced the SS.
Where y'all going?
They doing the roll? Hey, fuck that. They finna race that BMW, finna race that RT. But shit, I wanna record this shit so bad. They ain't finna get my goddamn GoPro though. Fuck that. You finna race again, dude? What?
Hold up, man. They gonna watch this for these police pull up quick, man.
How far it is from here? How far it is from here? I'm gonna take the GoPro off.
Damn, bitch. That's how I know you. I'm in my back. Stab me in my back. You probably get my bitch. I said, playing. What? They on my mind.